Hi guys, here's a quick review on this Stuffins Inc. 2000. Well, the tag actually says 1998, but I'm gonna go with 2000. So yeah, and without further ado, let's get into the review. Here he is like this, pretty nice, pretty cool looking Great Dane, pretty nice, really cool. There he is like this. And like that, really nice looking. There's the tag, pretty nice, Great Dane. Here's the tag. Here's the back of the tag. Really nice, it's sweet, it's sweet. Here's the back. Here's what it says. Really nice looking. Pretty cool, sweet. Great Dane. Yeah, this Great Dane is really cool. And it's really nice looking. Yep. Really nice. Here he is like this. And like this. And like this, pretty nice, pretty sweet. Here he is like this, and like this, really cool looking. There's the scarf, the mouth, the eyes. They're plastic, pretty sweet. The paws, the back feet, the tail, really nice looking plush for 2000. Yeah, look at how cool that is. Yep, here he's like this. Really nice looking plush. Yep. Alright. Here he is like this, the Great Dane. And back up. Really nice looking. Yep, pretty cute and pretty soft. Amazing. Really cool. Pretty nice. He's beanie. So he's really cool and soft, beanie plush. Yep, and really nice. The fabric, awesome. There's a little Santa hat. Here's a little hanging thing to hang him up at. Really nice. Pretty cool. Yep. Looks really cool. Yep, and nothing on the back. Pretty nice looking tag. And the bottom. That's the top. Like this. Pretty nice. Really cool looking. And that's it. Alright guys. Oh, there we go. Alright guys. That's the quick review on this Stuffins Inc. 2000 Great Dane Christmas Ornament Plush. Alright guys, bye.